Hello, yeah, welcome back to my channel. I have a very important informative video to share with you today concerning how to use success soap. Success soap is a spiritual soap that you can use to activate success in all over whatever you are doing in life. So as you can see me, I'm about to take my bath. Sometimes when you feel that you are getting nearly to get every time you go out for business and things are not properly working the way you expected, sometimes there is a spiritual attack that is disturbing your success. So you needed to buy a success soap. A success soap is sold in every spiritual shop. Like my shop, I have this product. This success soap is 100% guarantee. You can see it, success soap. It's a spiritual soap. Some people doesn't know it, but due to my September month, I wish to bring to you some of those spiritual things that you may likely to use to help yourself due to my birthday month. So for example, if you're having a problem of nearly to get maybe the contracts you're expecting every time somebody is disappointing you, or maybe we are having issue difficulty to achieve your goals, so I recommend this success soap. Also Oseye in Yoruba, sorry, that's the name. It's called success soap. Look at how it look like. It produced by me. There's a lot of spiritual incantation, there's a lot of spiritual thing added into the soap that make it spiritual for success. It help also to for marriage. For those of you who is looking for a partner, if you use it to bath continuously, you begin to have suitors coming to you for marriage. So success soap is one of the combination soap spiritually that can work for you for every issue of success. Anything you want to get, if it's becoming difficult nearly to get, every time you apply for something, something will bring it down, something will make it to be disappointed. So I recommend this soap for you. Go to any spiritual soap shop in your area. It's a very common soap, you can get it. It depends how they prepare it. So now I'm getting back to go out, so I'm using it to take my bath. So what are the second thing you needed to add to it to make it more powerful? Because in this world there is a lot of people, enemies of progress. Close to your business area, in your shop area, people are fighting you, people are making it so that things will not move for you. There is a lot of competition. So for that reason, I'm going to show you another way to add to make it more stronger. To add alligator pepper. Alligator pepper is a spiritual seed that fight for every negativity. In case in your place is a competitive area where people are trying to bring you down for business, or in your shop, or in your office where people likely to bring you down, so that's why you need to add alligator pepper in your bathing water. So with the spiritual success soup, the alligator pepper will be fighting for every negativity. Anybody that wanted to fight for you, anybody that wanted to do poison for you, or to do any juju for you not to succeed, or try to cause problem for you, this alligator pepper seed will fight for it. So that's why it's good to add it in your bathing water when you perceive anything danger in your working place. Now, how do you add it? I remember I told you, whenever you want to open alligator pepper, make sure you close your eye, or you open it at your back so that you will not see it. So before you open it, you pray and do all the necessary incantation you want to do concerning your office or your business places. Then you open it and put 7 seed. Watch me properly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Make sure it is 7. Do not allow it to pass 7 seed. Now after then, use your local sponge and the spiritual soap